What? Hi, Sam. Uh-oh. Thank you. Good girl. Good girls. I'll go back out here. Oh my God, that's so much fun, isn't it? Wait. Okay, wait a second. I messed up with the gate. Hang on. Hang on. There you go. Go through. Okay, bye then. And they're like, I thought you were coming. Hello, girls. Good calm. Good calm, Bella. Yes. Good calm. Oh, Bella. Wrong. Thank you. Good. Oh my God, it's been like 12 hours since we've been over here. Or less, or something. Hi, girls. Girls, come. Yes. Good girls. Look at you. All right, yeah, you stop when you get to the human, okay? Big girl. Ah, Chelsea, good calm. Good girl. Okay, there's a riot going on up there. Okay. We're not going up there. We're not going to join in the riot. No. Good girl. Good girl. Yes. Chloe. 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 Yes, I'm talking to you. Good girl. Good girl. Bella. Bella, come. Bella. Yes, that's a good, good girl. Okay. All right, then. They're like the color of the tree bark. Yeah. You're the color of the tree bark, aren't you? What a good girl. Good girl. Okay. Okie dokie. Uh-oh, wrong. Thank you. Okay, the puppy's over there having an absolute fit. Forgetting they just had a major time out here working and in the big yard. How quickly they forget. Yeah. Hi, pretty girl. What are you doing over there? Good girls.